बैक टू माई चैनल। और लिटरली तुमने एसएस का टाइटल पढ़ लिया होगा कि ब्रो यू नो दिस इज अबाउट व्हाई I left my job,
Let the moon shine through the blinds. I can see.
which I loved so much. क्योंकि मैं लिटरली पूरा टाइम ऐसे पोस्ट डाल रही होती थी कि it is amazing and it was amazing, but yeah, let's talk about that and get ready with me. I'm thinking to go for a grunge look because you can already figure it out. Like, it's my vibe. It was a good time. Honestly, it was one of the best times I've ever had, to be very honest, after college. तो भाई what happened is कि I left my job. 1 महीना हो चुका है मुझे जॉब छोड़े हुए अपनी. And I know it's been like 22-26 क्या डेटा, जो भी डेटा, 24, 26, 27, I don't know what date is today. But हाँ, मेरे को ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीना हो चुका है जॉब छोड़े हुए. एंड यू नो I'm just taking time for myself ऑफिस में. एंड I was just like कि I can't do it anymore. And I just called my dad up and I was like, bro, listen, like now it's okay then and everything like that. But pretty supportive parents, भाई सच में भगवान बहुत ही thanks से. I was crying and just speaking and I'm just like I because भाई मैं बहुत ज़्यादा attached हूँ, ठीक है. I think I still am attached to few people from that place because it was a pretty nice place to work पहले, like when I started working there. Literally मेरा college ख़त्म होते within 6 days I was placed. So मैं ये नहीं बोल रही मैंने chill नहीं करा अपनी college life में, honestly बहुत ज़्यादा chill करा है. But I never had that free time वाला thing कि I don't have a thing to do that every other person is doing, like working or something. So for 2 fucking years I was working Monday to Saturday, and there was Saturdays were not off, okay. तो Monday to Saturday भाई इतना काम तो. और तब मैं नोएडा रहती थी, it was much easier because भाई मैं अपने लिए टाइम निकाल पाती. From द्वारका to Noida by driving every damn day for like Monday to Saturday. And भाई एक पॉइंट के बाद ना तुम बहनचो तुमसे हो जाता है. इट्स लाइक यू गेट फकिंग एग्जॉस्टेड. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही पीपल डोंट डू दैट, पीपल माइट बी डूइंग दैट, बट भाई बहुत ज़्यादा होता है मंडे टू सैटरडे. एंड एट दिस पॉइंट आई वॉज लाइक कि ब्रो I fucking can't deal with this anymore. Cried the whole March, literally cried the whole damn month, बहुत ज़्यादा. But it was again बहुत सारे planets retrograde में थे, तो it's okay. Just blame it on the planets. And I left it because A, I did not have time for myself. B, I was exhausted. C, environment got so fucked up eventually that I just couldn't process it in my brain कि बहन क्या what. Literally this was my reaction every damn day. Those people are the people who fucks it up for every damn one. And yeah, so those people who have more than you but are still insecure of you, and they actually tell people to not to talk to me and some other people. It just blows my mind. It just literally blows. And then they're just bitching about me so much, and if I bitch about them on the face that I am the bitch, how is that possible? पीठ पीछे बोलो that is okay, और मैं तुम्हारे मुंह पे बोल दूँ तो I am the bitch. How? मम्मी really ऐसे कि मैं तुम्हारे मुंह पे बोल रही हूँ तो ये गॉसिप हो गई है, बट अगर मैं तुम्हारे पीठ पीछे बोल रही हूँ तो that is okay. I mean क्या कहाँ what make it feel like home. उसमें उनको दिक्कत है कि बहन चौधिया खुश कैसे हैं ऑफिस में, and why are they smiling and why are they talking, and I know these people are gonna see it and they're gonna have a problem with it, but I do not give a fuck now. I'm not in the office anymore and I do not give a fuck. And when I'm saying all these things, why it does not include my CEOs, because they were the most sweetest, amazing, most genuine people I've ever met, and they're gonna be always be the same. I've met those people who receive दो रुपए की ज़्यादा इज्जत और 2 रुपए ज़्यादा, एंड दे जस्ट थिंक कि they are the real deal, like they have made it in life.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
वो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. I am pretty sure कि all of you have met those people. Bright pink color, and I'm gonna just put it on my lower lash line.
I begin to. I begin to.
I couldn't even see 2 or 4 emotions उन लोगों की शक्लों पे which were genuine. I literally have another blush brush, but I don't know, I like it. It's fluffy. This moment in my life is serving a much higher purpose, and I'm pretty sure that it's happening for the best, and I can't even see it yet. So yeah, I'm gonna be back with some more juicy stuff ASAP. And till then, this is the goth look, and I love it. Dark grunge. I think I'm gonna make this look my go-to look, because I mean, come on guys, look at it. I mean, there were a lot of reasons, but yeah, some of them were these, and I do not regret even a bit of it. And yeah, I miss that place sometimes, but I think I'm definitely on a much higher path, and I know that I can't sit at one place and just do it. Give this video a thumbs up and like, comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna be posting more soon, so bye bye.